Yo, check it out. You're thinking about buying a foreclosure? Well, there's some things you definitely can consider. Number one, they're gonna be a lot cheaper than other houses on the market, but pros and cons. The cons are you may have to do a lot more repairs for the foreclosure because we don't know the state that it was in from the previous owner. So depending on how they cared for the property, it can work in your favor or it may not. So understanding these things, talking to a trusted contractor, and knowing who's here in your corner to help you out with the foreclosures. Just wanted to drop some tips. My name is Miguel Marte. I'm your realtor. Peace out.